And I don't know if this has been a secret or what, but a lot of people didn't realize we're putting in a new dock at Hunter Fish Camp. So
wow.
the goal has been to put in 2 sections of floating dock. So now that it's drawn down, we'll be setting, pouring our concrete footer, and that may be all you see for a little while till we bring the water back up where it can actually float. But we'll be attaching, 2 sections of floating dock, so that'll help a ton during the summertime when we got so many people out on the pond. If a storm rolls up or something like that, that'll allow people to come up, tie off, go get their vehicle, and just keep a lot better momentum at the boat ramp rather than to have one person go and get their boat out of the way. So, it'll help out with kayakers that they could kind of pull off to the dock and hop in, won't tie up so much ramp space. So trying to make our little area maximize efficiency. Right. So we'll see how that goes. But that's another thing to be looking for in the next few weeks.
Well, that's awesome, because I've been to Hunter Fish Camp several times, and it can definitely get crowded during the busy season. That sounds really awesome. We really look forward to all the progress going on Merritt's Mill Pond.
All righty.